Singing and playing the piano at the same time can feel really tricky. It's kind of like tapping your head and rubbing your belly at the same time. It's a lot of coordination. But today I'm going to show you the exact steps to take that will help you ease into singing and playing. The more you do it, the easier it gets, kind of like riding a bike. So let's get started. All right, the first step is just to find your song. Find a very simple song that is not too challenging to play. And one thing you can do is head over to the worldwide internet and use that to find your song. So one website I really like is ultimateguitar.com. So I'm going to show you exactly how I use it. So head over to ultimateguitar.com and then search for the song you're looking for. And voila, there you go. So now that you've found a song that is not too challenging, we're going to move to the next step. The next step is to learn the piano part and singing part separately. So for this video, I'm going to take you through learning a little bit of Let It Be. Just play simple chords in your right hand, nothing crazy. So what you're going to do is just play simple chords in your right hand and either one note or an octave in your left hand. So if you're playing A minor in your right hand, you're going to play A in your left hand, or you could do an octave like this. And we're going to keep it real simple. So here's me learning the chorus of Let It Be. But honestly, I could have kept it even more simple than that and just been like, nothing crazy. Once you've learned the entire piano part and you know it really well, then start singing it and practicing the singing part. So one thing you could do is you could record yourself playing the piano part either on your actual keyboard, or you could do it on your phone, and then you could practice singing along with that recording. That is a really great way to practice. Now we're gonna start putting it together really slowly. We're gonna start with just humming it. So kind of like this, really slow, nothing fancy in my hands. Okay, I was just playing simple chords in my hands and I was just humming along. Didn't even have to think about the lyrics yet. Once humming feels easy, then we're gonna actually sing the lyrics slow as a turtle. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. All right, taking little small chunks at a time, slow and steady wins the race. Before I get to the final steps, let me know in the comments what songs are you wanting to sing and play. Let me know. All right, our next step is we're gonna learn small chunks at a time. So do not try to tackle the entire song at once. For example, just practice the chorus by itself and keep practicing the chorus until you've got it really good. Once you've got the chorus really good, then add the verse. And once you know the verse and the chorus, you've learned a lot of the song because that repeats. So then work on the bridge and you've pretty much got the whole song at that point. But do not start from the beginning of the song and go to the end. That is really unproductive. Focus on small chunks at a time so that you can really narrow in on that, and you're gonna move along with your coordination between singing and playing much faster. All right, the next step is once you have learned all of your little chunks, now start playing the entire song. Get used to playing the verse into the chorus, the verse into the chorus, and get used to doing that and see if you can do it without stopping. From that point, you should be able to play the chords very simply and be able to sing it at the same time. So once you're comfortable with that, now we're gonna try to add some rhythm to the piano to make it a little bit more interesting. It really doesn't have to be complicated, just a little bit more interesting. So for example, instead of just playing the chords, you could just add some rhythm. And get used to doing that at the same time. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, and so on. And there you have it. That is how to go from 0 to being able to sing and play the piano at the same time. Remember to be patient with yourself because like I said, it's a lot like patting your head and rubbing your tummy at the same time. But if your piano skills are suffering, then this whole thing is going to be even harder. So I highly recommend clicking the link in the description below to watch my free training. In that free training, I show you the exact steps that I take my students through that helps them learn their favorite songs much more quickly. No children's songs involved. And I do show you how to sing and play, how to jazz up with rhythm, and even add the melody to your piano playing if that's what you want to do. So the link to that is in the description below. So if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.